Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from Rinpac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Mylar bags are a popular option for CBD hemp flower lovers because they are light in weight and easy to prepare. It is flexible. You can get high-quality Mylar bags in many different shapes and sizes, like 3.5 grams, 7 grams, 14 grams, 28 grams and 1 pound. And Rinpac-shaped cannabis flower Mylar bags come in many different custom-made shapes and sizes that can be specifically designed to fit your brand. Mylar bags' smell-proof performance performs so well. Its film lamination makes the bags that can be perfectly produced and with very high barrier properties for all kinds of products. Reach out to us today to explore our range of customizable options and take your packaging to the next level. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.